It's the time again for a package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the channel. And I'm everybody well, child. And you bought yourself a new multi-game card.
Another one for the SNES.
But this one, it's a shame it's the American style, so you need to have a converter or system that plays it.
On the PAL version, yes.
But the funny thing is, it got less games, but this one got save function and it got a lot of unique homebrew games.
Yeah, some hacks and homebrew games I've heard, so I'm very curious about it. Mostly the Mario games.
So that is something that is very unique as this card. We have a lot of 1-on-1 and a lot of multi-game cards. And I think this one stands out if you compare this with other versions, because not of the less games, but the homebrew games.
And it also got the 3 Donkey Kong games.
So yeah, let's take it in my Retro 3 Plus and let's test it out, because I'm pretty damn curious.
Me too. Let's find out.
Let's go! So, well child, well boy, show us some games in the main menu.
As you can see here, the first games are the Donkey Kong Country games. It even got the Championship Edition. Unfortunately, the titles are a bit too long to be displayed fully. So yeah, you're missing the title, but I'm sure that this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. It got all the 5 Bomberman games. And it got a lot of Mario games and also some hacks. As you can see here, Dr. Mario House C. Very curious about that one. And Mario Lost episodes. It got also a lot of Super Metroid games. And Zelda games. Even some Gundam games. Japanese people love Gundam games.
Very nice.
And
very
also
unique.
X-Men vs Street Fighter. As far as I know, that was only released on 32-bit systems. But I don't know what that's. Also a hack, I guess.
Alright, let's do some gameplay. I'm very curious now.
Let's play Donkey Kong 2. And indeed, the second title of Donkey Kong is Donkey Kong 2. You can also test if it saves. So far, so good.
I really love the soundtrack of this game.
This is my favorite on the SNES.
Yeah, I can understand. And let's go with Dr. Mario World House Calls.
Made in 2004 by Terrence. Toad is sick and it's up to Dr. Mario to find the problem and cure it. Let's head to Toad's house first. So funny. Super Dr. Mario.
No, not anymore. Get yourself the blue pill!
I want to shoot pills.
You wanna shoot pills? That sounds so wrong.
Oh man, I suck. Super Mario World, the brutal version.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is...
Is this thing glitching or what?
No, it should be like this, I think. But it's Super Mario World with the engine of Super Mario World 2, Baby Mario.
Press start. I think it's glitching.
No. As you can see, it works.
Mario was hungry.
Delicious dragons on the island. He went out to eat some. I don't know what kind of drugs these people have.
Hi. Unique map. Wow, it's flickering. And this is the Super Mario World
2
one game with
yeah.
levels of an engine of 2.
Yeah, it's mixed together. Well, it's original at least. Plays fine.
I'm so curious, what is this for game?
Oh, this is nice. It's just like the Saturn version X-Men vs Street Fighter.
Wait, that is really cool.
It just looks like the 32-bit version.
Oh, so it's mainly selecting a CPU, well, you selecting character from
Yeah. Of course I play Wolverine. With the Street Fighter soundtrack.
So this is not what I expected. It's a little, yeah.
It works, but it's very heavy for the SNES. But it works.
Alright, we have to just do a quick test and the save function seems to be working.
Yeah, it works. Nice.
So, for the final conclusion, we have so many multi-game cards out. It's an invasion from China with multi-game cards. But this one is pretty damn unique, don't you think?
It got very good games, and what's unique about it is that it got a lot of nice hacks of Mario and Metroid, and even some Zelda games.
Let's call it the Homebrew/hack multi-game card.
And it also got the 3 original Donkey Kong games, which are one of the best games on the SNES.
Yeah, and overall, I really love to know, what do you think of this? Would you buy something like this multi-game card?
Also the sticker, I love it. It's a very professional sticker.
They did a really great job. There is no PAL version so far we know. It's
You can buy it PAL, but not with a sticker. You get only a grey card. So yeah, I really want it with a professional sticker. But they said in the future they will release an official PAL version of it.
Alright, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.